Electric mops have transformed the way we clean our homes, offering powerful, efficient solutions for maintaining spotless floors with minimal effort. If you are dealing with stubborn stains, pet messes, or simply want a quick and easy way to sanitize your floors, these innovative tools make the job a breeze. In this video, we will guide you through the best electric mops on the market, highlighting models that deliver exceptional cleaning performance, convenience, and versatility. Number 1. Bissell 20393 Electric Mop. The Bissell 20393 Electric Mop is a powerful tool designed to make hard floor cleaning easy and effective. Its rotating mop pads restore the natural shine of your floors, while the on-demand spray gives you control over the cleaning solution. Key features: supports Bissell Pet Foundation, powerful spinning mop pads, safe on seal-hard floors, on-demand spray control, easy maneuverability with swivel steering, includes mop pads and cleaning formulas. Number 2. VMAI G700 Electric Mop. The VMAI G700 Electric Mop combines powerful dual motors with a lightweight design, making it ideal for quick and efficient cleaning of large spaces. Its detachable, long-lasting battery ensures extended use, while the adjustable rod and LED headlights make it easy to reach tricky areas. Key features: powerful dual motors, detachable 2550 mAh battery, lightweight at under 3 pounds, adjustable rod and LED headlights, 300 milliliter spray tank for cleaning and waxing, quiet operation at less than 50 decibel. Number 3. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark S1000 Steam Mop offers a chemical-free cleaning solution that effortlessly sanitizes seal-hard floors using only water. Its quick 30-second steam readiness and lightweight design make it perfect for swift, effective cleaning. With an XL water tank and washable pads, this mop ensures long-lasting, hassle-free use. Key features: chemical-free steam cleaning, ready to use in 30 seconds, suitable for all seal-hard floors, XL removable water tank, lightweight and maneuverable design, washable dirt grip pads. Number 4. eous E700 Electric Mop. The eous E700 Electric Mop offers powerful cleaning with its dual motors and long-lasting battery, making it perfect for tackling tough stains with ease. Its 300 milliliter water tank, LED lights, and self-propelled design ensure efficient cleaning, even in hard-to-reach areas. This mop combines whisper-quiet operation with easy storage, making it a convenient addition to any home. Key features: 2550 mAh battery with 60-minute runtime, dual motors at 250 revolutions per minute, 300 milliliter water tank with sprayer, LED lights for dark areas, adjustable tube and self-propelled design, whisper quiet operation. Number 5. Tineco Floor ONE S3 Electric Mop. The Tineco Floor ONE S3 Electric Mop uses advanced iLoop smart sensor technology to automatically adjust suction and water flow for a flawless clean on seal-hard floors. It combines vacuuming and washing in one step, saving time while delivering streak-free results. With a cordless design, 5-in-1 self-cleaning system, and a helpful voice assistant, this mop offers an exceptional cleaning experience. Key features: iLoop smart sensor technology, vacuum and wash in one step, cordless with up to 35-minute runtime, 5-in-1 self-cleaning system, all-in-one LED display and voice assistant. Number 6. PurSteam Therma Pro 211 Electric Mop. The PurSteam Therma Pro 211 electric mop offers a chemical-free cleaning solution, making it safe for homes with children and pets. It heats up in just 30 seconds, providing versatile cleaning for hard floors, carpets, and even as a handheld steamer for fabrics. With its lightweight design and multiple accessories, this mop is a highly maneuverable and comprehensive cleaning tool. Key features: chemical-free steam cleaning, heats in 30 seconds, detachable handheld steamer, lightweight and maneuverable design, includes multiple cleaning accessories. Number 7. Hoover WH21000 electric mop. The Hoover WH21000 electric mop is a versatile 10-in-1 cleaner that handles everything from floors to upholstery, making it perfect for comprehensive home cleaning. Its removable handheld steamer allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas, while the pet-friendly design ensures your home stays fresh and odor-free. With washable scrubbing pads and safe use on sealed floors, it's an efficient and convenient cleaning solution. Key features: 10-in-1 multi-purpose cleaner, removable handheld steamer, perfect for pet messes, includes washable scrubbing pads, safe on sealed floors. Number 8. GOBOT G22 electric mop. The GOBOT G22 electric mop offers effortless cleaning with its self-propelled dual-motor design, making it easy to clean floors without bending over. Lightweight and versatile, it's suitable for a variety of surfaces, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone, especially those with back pain. With easy assembly and long battery life, it's a practical and efficient cleaning tool for any home. Key features: dual motor design at 200 revolutions per minute, lightweight at 3.3 pounds, works on multiple surfaces, easy to assemble with adjustable length, includes 4 microfiber and 2 scrubber pads, 40-minute battery life. Number 9. Bissell 23157 electric mop. The Bissell 23157 electric mop offers cordless convenience with its 18-volt lithium-ion battery, allowing up to 20 minutes of powerful cleaning. Its spinning mop pads effortlessly restore your floor's natural shine, and the on-demand spray feature gives you control over the cleaning solution. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, making it a great choice for pet lovers. Key features: supports Bissell Pet Foundation, 18-volt lithium-ion battery for cordless cleaning, powerful spinning mop pads, safe on sealed hard floors, on-demand spray control, includes mop pads and pet multi-surface formulas. Number 10. Shark S7001 electric mop. The Shark S7001 electric mop combines powerful steam with rotating pads to tackle tough stains while being gentle on all sealed hard floors. It offers 3 steam modes for various cleaning needs and includes LED headlights to reveal hidden debris. With chemical-free sanitization and automatic scrubbing, this mop ensures a deep, effortless clean every time. Key features: 3 steam modes, light, normal, and deep. LED headlights for spotting debris. Rotating pads for automatic scrubbing. Chemical-free sanitization. Safe for all sealed hard floors. Thanks for watching our video on the best electric mops on the market. We have explored a range of options, each offering unique features to help you keep your floors spotless, from powerful steam cleaning to versatile cordless convenience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more detailed reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Happy cleaning!